Hey besties, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In this video, we are going to be swatching the new Glamlite X ICEE collection. You guys, you get 2 palettes and then you get 1 little ICEE cup that comes with 3 lip glosses inside. So I'm super duper excited. The first product we have here is the Glamlite Blue Raspberry palette, which looks like this. Very, very beautiful tones there. And then we have the cherry, the cherry palette, which looks like that there. Really, really beautiful tones. So the question is, which one do we swatch first? Something is telling me to do the blue first, so we're gonna do the blue first. So we've got Chillin', Frozenated, Polar Bear, and Ice Cold. That's the shades on my finger. Oh my goodness, look at those shimmers, you guys. Ooh. Chillin'. Oh my gosh. Frozenated. Beautiful. Polar Bear. Ice Cold. Y'all, the shimmers are so pretty. Wow, the mattes are really, really good too, but the shimmers are actually poppin'. Going into the next row, we have Glacier, Frost, Icicles, and Cool. And that is the shades on the fingers. Very, very beautiful, beautiful blue shades. Glacial. That's so pretty. Frost. Guys, that looks like, tell me that doesn't look like wet. That looks like wet. Icicles. And then Cool. Let me go back into Cool. Then Refresh, Blue Raspberry, Icy, and Melted. And that is what they look like on the finger. Those look unreal. A lot of these look a little similar, like on the camera, but I promise you they are a little different. Refresh, Blue Raspberry. Ooh, wait a minute. Blue Raspberry, Icy, and Melted. Those are pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie to you though, this row does obviously look really patchy, but that could just either be my swatches or the fact that, you know, swatches are different than on the eyes. Because from my understanding, Glamlite has a really, really bomb color formula. So, yeah, I doubt the formula's bad. Ooh, look at my arm now. Alright, I got it off as much as possible for the moment. And we're going to jump into the cherry palette. So the cherry palette looks like this again. And we're just gonna dive right in. This one is really, really pretty. Really beautiful, definitely less intimidating than the first one. The first one's got me like, oh gosh, I gotta do videos with this. Only because some of the shades looked a little scary and they were a little choppy on the arm, but I feel like they're not gonna be on the eye, you know? White Cherry, Cool Taste, Colorful Tongue, Epic. Aw. This is what the shades look like. White Cherry. This one is so pretty. You guys see that pinky tone in there? Really, really stunning shade. So White Cherry. Ooh. Cool Taste. Colorful Tongue. That's an interesting name. Pretty shade too. And then Epic. So that's what those look like. Then we have Fruity, Flavorific, Wild Cherry, and Smile. They look like that on the finger. Fruity, Flavorific, Wild Cherry. Let's go in with some more of that one. And Smile. Ooh, I like Smile. Even though it looks patchy. Those are actually really beautiful. I know that those will look good on the eyes. And then for the last row, we have Funtastic, Treat, Frosted Cherry, and Sweet. That is them on the fingers. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shades there. Oh my goodness. Funtastic, Treat, going back in to Treat, Frosted Cherry. Wow. Frosted Cherry is gorgeous, you guys. Wow. And then we have Sweet. They look similar, but you obviously do see some difference. But yeah, wow. That freaking Frosted Cherry shade. So gorgeous, you guys. So yeah, overall, what do you think about the swatches? Obviously, some swatches were a little bit more on the patchy side. That could just be because like I'm cleaning up with these makeup wipes and maybe it's like not going over that good. I mean, I'm drying it off every time after too, but maybe it's kind of compromising the formula of that. I don't know. But some of them are obviously a little choppy on swatch, but that doesn't mean that they're going to be like that on the actual eye. So I'm really excited to play with them, and you guys definitely will see videos with them in the future for sure. And then moving on to the glosses, I'm going to cut those out real quick. And yeah, they're so cute in there, you guys. So we have the shade Cherry, which is so cute. They put the little icicles. This is so adorable, you guys. And obviously you're just going to get probably like a little like pinky reddish kind of tint there. Exactly. Very minimal, but still really, really beautiful. I'm not sure what the name of this one is because it's not on the bottom. But this one looks gorgeous. Like the shade, ooh. That is pretty. I know you guys see the difference. That one is really, really beautiful. And then we have Raspberry, which is so beautiful. It looks like bluey purple. Oh, I want to see what this one looks like really bad. So we're just going to swatch. Boom, 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 boom. And that is what she is looking like. Very like iridescent. Isn't that the word for it? Very, very beautiful glosses. Wow. Ooh, I can't wait to put them on, you guys. Definitely will be playing with all these products in the future. Please comment down below and let me know which palette you'd want to see looks with first. And thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun at this watch party. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you. Bye, besties.